chicken cutlet. Today we are going to make chicken cutlet. The ingredients are garlic, ginger small pieces, turmeric, coriander powder, garam masala, 1 big onion sliced, and salt to taste. The potatoes have been boiled. Now these can be mashed and made into a soft powder. We have also boiled the chicken and taken the meat from the bone, and this can be used as the meat in the cutlet. The chicken has been boiled with ginger and garlic. Heat the kadai and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onions, garlic and ginger, and salt until the onion turns golden brown. Put in the turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala with the salt and mix. Put in the boiled chicken, which has been cut into thin pieces. Nicely make it into a soft pulp. This can also be, the chicken can also be put in the grinder and minced well. That is alternative. Put in the potatoes, boiled potatoes, and mash and salt. Now the potatoes can be mashed. So that it becomes a smooth pulp. Now the whole thing has been made into a paste. Make these into small cutlet shaped balls. And make it into the shape of a cutlet. Now the whole mixture has been made into cutlet shaped pieces. Take an egg and Whisk it nicely. This can be used to dip the cutlet pieces. Take the cutlet piece and dip it in the egg batter. Coat the cutlet piece dipped in the egg batter completely with breadcrumbs. Do this for all the other pieces. Heat the kadai and pour in 20 ml of oil. Put the cutlet into the oil. And keep on turning from side to side for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Every 5 to 10 seconds keep on turning, and also put on the sides if the cutlet is thick. Do this for 4 to 5 minutes and keep on turning sides every 5 to 10 seconds. This is the final chicken cutlet, an easy and delicious snack which can be made very easily. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe and share, and press the notification button.